In this video, we will talk about Ethernet connected but no internet access, or we can say no internet access but connected. This means you have some kind of problem with your Ethernet connection, and in this video I'm gonna show you a really quick methods you have to use to fix this problem. So watch the complete video. Method 1. Troubleshooting. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, you will see Troubleshoot, click on it. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see Internet Connection. Click on Run. This will start detecting the issue and you simply need to click on Troubleshoot my connection to Internet. Possibly this will help you to fix your problem. If not, then follow our method 2. Reset Network. For that, click on Windows icon. Open the settings. Click on Network and Internet on the left hand side. Then scroll it down. You will see Advanced Network Setting. Click on it. Scroll it down. You will see Network Reset. Click on it. And here you simply need to do a reset now. Click on Yes. And this will show you some kind of screen like this. You're about to sign out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You simply need to follow this second method if the method 1 will not work for you. So that's how you can fix Ethernet connected but no internet access, or we can say no internet access but connected. If you're getting any problem related to Windows 10, Windows 11, Ubuntu or any kind of issue with your computer, you can visit to our forum page I'm displaying on your screen right now, and there you can ask your question and we will surely reply you back. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.